We're gonna toss chopped, freshly picked strawberries with orange liqueur, spoon them onto a premium French vanilla ice cream, then a big spoonful of sweetened whipped cream, and the garnish. Well, I can't tell you everything from the get-go, that would ruin the fun. Instead, how about a step-by-step on how to make strawberry Romanoff sundaes? You ready for this? No cooking involved. There are only 3 components plus 2 really good reasons to watch this video to the very end for the big finish. It is all so surprisingly simple, but really delicious. Let's get started. We're rinsing about 2 pints of strawberries, then we're taking just 1, leave the cap on and cut it into 4, set it aside. We're gonna use it later for garnish. The rest of the berries, hull them, then chop them up, not too big, not too small, toss them into a medium-sized bowl. We're gonna sprinkle them with 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. You can dial that back if the berries are super sweet. Then 1 ounce of orange liqueur. If a bit more ends up in the bowl, don't worry about it. Toss everything together, cover, and let the strawberries sit for about 30 minutes. Very important, if you're making this dessert for kids, you can either leave the liqueur out completely or just substitute with 1 ounce of orange juice or portion off a little bit of the strawberries, set them to the side for the kids' dessert. With the strawberries almost ready, how about we look at the serving vessels? We found a glass dish works best solely because this dessert is so gorgeous. You can use a coupe or cocktail glass or a glass bowl. We like the champagne saucers, very spiffy. Right before the strawberries are ready and just before we're ready to assemble, we're gonna whip up a rich and creamy concoction that is super fabulous. Into a large measure, 1 cup of cold 35% cream, add a 1/4 cup of icing sugar, give it a stir. Now hand mixer, you can use a whisk attachment like this. When it starts to thicken, do a little taste. You can add a pinch of granulated sugar if you'd like. Then 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and we're gonna continue to whip this up until it gets creamy and billowy. If that just got you really excited, wait, watch this, where we're folding in a 1/4 cup of sour cream. That's right, this sweetened whipped cream mixture takes on a rich, almost cheesecake flavoring. We're gonna fold it in gently. This is this recipe's game changer. Remember off the top I said there were 3 components? Let's pull this all together. Watch how easy this no bake, no fuss dessert is to serve. For the sundae portion of the dessert, a generous scoop of premium French vanilla ice cream. Second component, stir up and then spoon those orange liqueur enhanced fresh strawberries. Honestly, now a big spoonful of that whipped cream, garnish with that 1/4 strawberry and a titch of fresh mint. Doesn't that look fantastic? But wait, remember how I told you there were 2 big finishes? Number 1, the pièce de résistance. I'm going into French because I think this is truly revolutionary. Freshly cracked black pepper. You heard it here first. Black pepper on this dessert is off the charts. But I'm not done yet. I was looking at this kind of going, oh, look at this red and white. This would be a perfect dessert, let's say for Canada Day. Again, if you're with family and small kids for the holiday, it's okay to leave the liqueur out, but add in little flags. Oh, Canada. And just to make sure I cover all the bases, with 2 siblings and half of my family living in the US, we then thought, what about the 4th of July? So we added some blueberries to those strawberries. We spooned everything over the ice cream. Add that whipped cream, and then for garnish, a little bit of strawberry and the blueberries. Look at that, perfect red, white, and blue combination. This is a birthday-worthy dessert for the 4th of July. And there you have it, or you will have it as soon as you make it. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. A reminder, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then finally take a picture of this gorgeous dessert when you make it. Post it using hashtag weekendatthecottage on your favorite socials. Strawberry Romanoff sundaes. Ooh, such a treat. Mm-hmm.